been waiting for the tides to change, for the waves to send you my way. I see you, darling, but you pixelate. It gets hard to take these days, but we'll hold the line. I won't let go, 'cause I'll be there when you can finally make it home. And I don't mind, 'cause we both know that we'll be fine when you can finally make it home. Because when I'm in a room with you, that missing piece is found. You know when you're by my side, darling, nothing can break us down. I remember happy wasted days, summer's golden haze in our eyes, lifting you above the breaking waves, memories floating back to my mind. You said, hold the line, I won't let go, 'cause I'll be there when you can finally make it home. And I don't mind, 'cause we both know that we'll be fine when you can finally make it home. Because when I'm in a room with you, that missing piece is found. You know when you're by my side, darling, nothing can break us down. It's like when you're far away from me, I get lost in the crowd. Because when I'm in a room with you, that missing piece is found. Oh, waste a minute when you're here, and we're finally in the clear. When every day is like the last, I just keep holding fast. Because when I'm in a room with you, that missing piece is found. You know when you're by my side, darling, nothing can break us down. It's like when you're far away from me, I get lost in the crowd. Because when I'm in a room with you, that missing piece is found.
Hope when you take that jump, you don't feel the fall. Hope when the water rises, you build a wall. Hope when the crowd screams out, they're screaming your name. Hope if everybody runs, you choose to stay. Hope that you fall in love and it hurts so bad. The only way you can know, you gave it all you had. And I hope that you don't suffer, but take the pain. Hope when the moment comes, you say, I did it all. I did it all. Owned every second this world could give. I saw so many places, the things that I did. Yeah, with every broken bond, I swear I live. say I swear I live. I swear I did it all. I did it all. Owned every second this world could give. I saw so many places, things that I did. Yeah, with every broken bond, I swear I live.
The Greater Essex County District School Board recognizes the service of our employees by awarding pins. We have 2 staff this year who have surpassed 20 years with our board. I would like to recognize and congratulate Mrs. Hebert and Mrs. Sandrin.
Sing it for your mama, ayy. Sing it for your papa, ayy. Sing it for the whole world, whether boy or girl, for your number one, baby. K.O. on the beat, okay? I'm the human. Go ahead, go and sing it down top, cause the beat won't stop, no, wait. Sing, 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 sing. Sing it out as hard as you can. Make them hear you from LA to Japan. Don't let them bring you down. This is how we do it now. Go and roll the windows down and sing, 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 sing. Sing it with your hands in the sky. Light it up like it's the 4th of July. Don't let them bring you down. You know what I'm talking about. A little bit louder now. You know what I'm talking about. Say it a little bit louder now. Let me hear you. I'm gonna need you to raise your glass. I don't care what you put in it.
Each year, we recognize staff who are leaving Glenwood with the gift of a book. This year's literary tribute are honoring Miss Gordon, Miss DeFazio, Mr. Marentet, and Miss Lozon, and include the books We Wish You Happiness and be you.
See, we won't forget where we came from. This city won't change.
Have a nice trip, Mr. Marintet. We hope you have a great trip with lots of fun and no car problems. Eat lots of good food. Do science. Keep track of your learning. Try new things. We hope you have a great trip.
Minivans and people who had your back when the world didn't understand. See, we won't forget where we came.
Hey Kim, I just wanted to say what a pleasure it was working with you this year. It was awesome having you in the classroom. You did a phenomenal job with Zian, as well as assisting other kids when they needed it. I know with Alec and the girls, just very greatly appreciated all of that hard work. We're going to miss you here at Glenwood, and we wish you the best of luck at the new placement. I'm sure you'll fit in there just as well. You have a great sense of humor, and yeah, you'll be greatly missed here at Glenwood. But best of luck, and keep in touch. Thanks again.
Mrs. Gordon, it is so hard to say goodbye. It has been so wonderful working with you and learning from you over the past 2 years. You have taught our school so much about ASL, along with accepting and understanding of those in the deaf and hard of hearing community. You've also shared your love of animals with all of us, and we will miss talking all about our dogs with you. As you move on to Forest Glade School, we have to remind you that you always have a home at Glenwood. Mrs. Gordon, thank you.
Change us. Oh no, this city won't change us. Oh no, this city.
Hey Stephanie, I want to wish you the best of luck on your new adventure. I know you're going to be great, and they're very lucky to be having you join their team. I definitely will miss you and working with you on a day-to-day basis, but I know that we will keep in touch and remain friends. Again, best of luck. You're going to be amazing.
Hi, Mr. Power here. Just with a few thoughts about Miss Amanda Lozon. Lozon. Amanda Lozon. Number one when it comes to EAs. Teaching children is her forte. Lozon. Amanda Lozon.
Hi, Miss Lozon. This is Tara here. We just wanted to say that we're going to miss you. Glenwood has been very fortunate to have you for this past year. Thank you for all that you've done for us. And 45T has made a little acrostic for you. So, Miss Lozon, magnificent, so helpful, likable, amazing, understanding, zealous, observant, and never forgotten. Just remember those things. We'll miss you.
I believe in each one of you and your abilities to reach children and make a difference in others' lives. We can't wait to hear all about your next chapters.